Have you ever wondered how to multiply your gains in a bull market? While everyone's talking about major Layer 1 tokens, I'm about to show you an even better opportunity hiding in plain sight. Stick around, and I'll reveal how Solana's ecosystem, specifically altcoins, DEXs, and unique projects, can outperform even the king itself. You don't want to miss this. Briefly recap Solana's recent rally. Solana's up nearly 50% in the past month. Phenomenal performance, and it could hit its all-time high of $250 soon. Transition to altcoin performance. But here's the kicker. While Solana climbs 30%, some of its ecosystem tokens, like Radium and Guido, have surged 60% plus. Guido. Explain its role as a liquid staking platform. Mention low market cap, high staking rates, and 53% growth in 7 days. Radium. Discuss its status as the top DEX on Solana, with a 60% rally, and how it's essential for liquidity. Use visuals like charts or comparisons to emphasize these gains over Solana's performance. Introduce other noteworthy projects. Render. Highlight its unique utility in providing 3D rendering services, potential top 15 status, and developer demand. Meme coins. Example, Doge Watt. Up 32% in 7 days, 1,500% from launch. Explain the pattern of liquidity flowing from large caps like Dogecoin to Solana-based meme coins. Engage with the audience. What's your favorite meme coin right now? Comment below. Highlight. Solana. Explain its innovative raking protocol and benefits for developers. Emphasize its importance for decentralization and scalability on Solana. Provide actionable tips for finding gems. Use platforms like DeFi Llama to research the top projects in different niches, staking, DeFi, derivatives. Focus on the leaders in each category. Encourage exploration. Hundreds of projects on Solana are waiting to be discovered. Find the narratives that resonate with you. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.